attacker, this user can be an attacker, and he could, for example, or even if he's not an attacker, for one reason or the other, he could have gotten himself blacklisted on USDC. Now, there are many ERC20 tokens with strange features. One of it is blacklist function. So USDC and USDT have the power to blacklist an address, and once they blacklist an address, a transfer of USDC or USDT would not go on that address. So if this user is blacklisted, this 120 USDC you want to send back to him will not go. And once this transaction fails, everything fails, and this position becomes, it's no longer liquidatable, even though it's a losing position. So your invariant becomes broken. Your X factor for this user becomes lower than 1.1. And in some cases, it will even fall below 1. And there's nothing you can do. All right. So you need to pay attention to that. That's one. The second thing is, let's say other values apply, and in fact what you need to transfer here is not 120 USDC, it's just 0 USDC or 0 USDT, as the case could be. So you need to test and ensure that transferring 0 value here would also be successful. All right, you need to test very well, otherwise this will keep failing and this position will not be liquidatable. So imagine if it drops as low as 1000 USDC, you'll just be carrying the collateral. There is nothing you can do. So that's, so now the main way, and I need you to pay attention to this, to solve this problem is to use try and catch block.